when it's time to clean the tub, I have a hard time with my knees, or if you have kids and you are giving them a bath and you're, kneeling down on the floor, on the hard floor of your bathroom, this is a great solution that I found that is also very affordable compared to other ones. So this is very thick material, and over here you can even remove this if you just want to utilize it as a handle, like this. Perfectly fits perfectly, very ergonomic if you just want to carry it around with you places, or you can just put it back if you don't want to have that hole. But I'm going to show you how I intend to use it with my cleaning needs. Okay, so as I said before, I would be kneeling over here if you're giving a bath, or if you're scrubbing, this is uncomfortable. Like, there's a point where you're like, this is painful. So that's why I got this one. And now you just can put it over here, and then you can be scrubbing all over for longer because you are not in pain with your knees, and you can just be scrubbing, or even if you're giving a bath, this is very comfortable to be kneeling at, especially when you have to be like for a long time, or if you're gardening or whatever. This is a great solution and very comfortable. So I am very excited to have this for my cleaning days.